So to start with, I would want to mention that ours is a unique fund or fund house or asset management company which believes in having 100% skin in the game. In this particular fund, our Flexi Cap fund, our own money is to the extent of 2,000 crores. The total AUM of the fund is 11,000 crores. 2,000 crores out of 11,000 crores, which is roughly 20% of the fund, is our own investments made by our listed company as well as our promoters and their families. This means that we are completely committed to our fund, to all our investors, and we would win only if you would win. So therefore, this itself is one of the biggest reason, I would say, for one to remain invested in the fund and make further allocations. In times when the markets have gone through its own volatility, we've gone through the COVID correction, we've been through some great performance times, we've been through some times of underperformance. We continue to invest consistently into our fund in good times and bad times. And if you see on the chart on the left, 2018, we added 420 crores into the fund. 2019, we added 260 crores. In the year of COVID correction, we added 155 crores. 2001, last calendar year, we added another 50 crores. So in the last 4 years, we have added additional 884 crores to the fund. And we will continue to add more investments as we go ahead in the fund. So skin in the game is 100%. And and we are investing this money to make returns for ourselves. In the process, we will also make returns for our investors.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.